Bam. Look at that. Doesn't come out either. Just chilling. Keep it going. Got the seatbelt on. When you got your seatbelt in, you just clicks in. Boom. You're all set. No more, you know, my fat ass, no more reaching around, doing all that. It's like, nah, Ben's got me. It's like, check this out. Boom. Thanks, honey. I'll get us home safe, be able to drift another day, go to a show another day. All right, let me get you guys some detailed images of what it looks like, and that's everything on this episode of Cool Features on Tony's Cars. Cheers, guys.